Tongatapu o kupatay peya ke periuri waki o seni. Ko o seni, ko muui anga, ko koloa ke tauhilele. From shore to the deep blue moana was home to many. Fish and marine life of all kinds, where the turtles swam freely, peacefully, and security guaranteed. It was an image of peaceful cohabitation and sharing of resources. We must make sure that these gifts are maintained to ensure that it continues to be the koloa for all our ocean, our source of life and security, a treasure to value and sustain for today and future generations. The design of Miss Tongatapu's sarong was inspired by the clear, pristine waters of Halaika Beach, where she and her sister and her late father used to visit and swim there when she was a child. The blue emerald ocean, in harmony with the clear blue sky, left lasting imprints on Miss Tongatapu. Ko e teunga o Miss Tongatapu, na e popoa I hono potunga mo e whakaukau pia mohono sipinga. Me he taimi na e whaafononga atua e ki whine moini pia mohono tao kete. O kaukau tahi mo e na tangata e ki I he matatahi halaika I hahake. Na e to'o ai e loto mo e atamayo e whine mui koeni. I e whaofo ofa, maa, kino kino e fia a o seni. Ai lanu polo fio e malata ai tahi. O hange kona ka pani mo e tapitonga lanu moana ai langi. Me he matatahi ke moana ko e api o e koloa kehe kehe. Ai ka, ai ngahi pingota, ai fonu e nau tāpate fie fia, I he malu pia mo e nonga ho nau api. Ko e nofo pe ofo ofani, mo pe vai vai aki I e ngahi koloa o e mo ui. Ko tau o seni, ko e tau koloa, mo tau mo ui anga, mo e malu anga ke tuuloa. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Fugalaau Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi.